In this video, you'll learn how to fix a connection to Steam VAC servers that could not be established. If you're an avid gamer, you know how frustrating it can be when you're ready to dive into your favorite game only to be blocked by a pesky connection issue. But don't worry, because today we're going to tackle this problem head-on with a simple series of steps that should get you back in the game in no time. First things first, we're going to start by opening the task manager on your computer. This is a crucial step because sometimes processes related to Steam can interfere with your connection to the VAC servers. You can open the task manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys on your keyboard simultaneously, or by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager from the menu that appears. Once the task manager is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout, as we will need to identify specific processes. Now, with Task Manager at your disposal, look for a process called Steam Client Web Helper. This process can sometimes cause issues with VAC connections. Once you've located it, click on it to highlight, and then click on End Task. Ending this process will not close Steam itself, but it will eliminate any potential interference from the Web Helper process. Next, we need to ensure that Steam itself is running with the necessary permissions. To do this, find the Steam app on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click on the Steam app, and from the context menu, select Run as Administrator. Running Steam as an administrator can resolve numerous access-related issues that might be causing trouble with VAC servers. Once Steam is up and running as an administrator, navigate to the Library tab. This is where all your Steam games are listed. Here, you'll want to locate the specific game that's giving you trouble with VAC server connections. When you've found the game, right-click on it to open a context menu. From this menu, select Properties. The Properties window is where you can manage various aspects of the selected game. Within the Properties window, you'll see various tabs. Click on the one labeled Installed Files. Now, you'll see an option that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click on this button. What this does is check your local game files against the files on Steam's servers to ensure that everything is in order. If any files are missing or corrupted, Steam will automatically replace them with the correct versions. This step can often resolve issues that arise from corrupted game files, which can be a common cause of VAC connection problems. And there you have it. You've just gone through a series of troubleshooting steps that should help fix the issue with connecting to Steam VAC servers. If your connection problems persist after following these steps, it might be worth reaching out to Steam support for further assistance. They can provide more in-depth help tailored to your specific situation. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now able to enjoy your games without any more connection issues. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!